Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing a fun twist on French toast. We're making almond-crusted French toast topped with a tart cherry sauce. It's so good and it feels like it's fancy, a fancy breakfast, but you know, it's just actually a super simple meal that you can make at home. So let's get into it. Okay, first you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, about 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some sugar and almond flour. Then you're going to want some Greek yogurt, and we're going to put some coconut in that, and some bread, and then finally some cherries. Now take your almond flour and put it into this bowl and mix it with the cinnamon. Oh, here comes my egg. And I almost dropped my cinnamon. Oh my gosh, it's been a long Vlogmas, you guys. And let's put our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in here, followed by the salt. And then just give that a quick stir. Next, another bowl, take 2 eggs and crack them. Then follow that up with half a cup of milk. It's 1/4 cup I have here, so I'm doubling that. Then take your bread and we're going to coat this in the egg and milk mixture. And then we're going to take it and put it into the almond flour and cinnamon mixture. Now you want to be really careful with this bread. It can fall apart easily, so just kind of gently use your hand. I wouldn't use any kind of like fork or tongue or anything because it will break up. Then take your pan and put the tablespoon of butter. Put your two pieces of toast, and I have 8 pieces, so I did 2 at a time. And I would say about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, and then take it out, and we're gonna let it rest. Now we're going to make our tart cherry sauce. So it's 3 cups of cherries, frozen cherries, and 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to take that and bring it to a boil on high, and then we're going to reduce it for 15 minutes. Okay, so next, take out your yogurt, and I'm going to make the coconut yogurt. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you that in the ingredients, but we're going to make coconut yogurt. So what I do is I take a scale and I measure out 240 grams, and that's the equivalent of 1 cup. Then take your unsweetened coconut and just add again 2 tablespoons of the equivalent of this unsweetened coconut. Okay, let's go ahead and assemble the French toast. So take your French toast and put on the cherry mixture. And you can keep the French toast in the freezer, individual pieces, for up to 3 months. The cherry sauce you can also keep in the refrigerator until you want to use it. It's good for about 2 weeks. And then go ahead and spread that onto the toast. Then take your coconut yogurt and just put a couple dollops on there. And then we're going to make it look nice with some strawberries. And then just give it a dust with some powdered sugar. That's it for our recipe today, our almond-crusted French toast with tart cherry sauce. It's the perfect mix of indulgence and balance, and I hope it inspires you to treat yourself while staying on track. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to The Balance Bite for more healthy recipes and balanced ideas. I'll be baking for the next 3 to 4 days, and I'll be back tomorrow with the first round of it. Thanks so much, everybody, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 20. Take care.